Hey guys, we're at 3409 Marietta Court here in Raleigh, listed by Grice Realty. And right now we're standing in the formal dining room. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the light fixtures, the custom boarding on the walls. Right next to the dining room, we have our full-size pantry, beautiful butler's area with a wine cooler. Behind me is this beautiful custom kitchen. The whole kitchen is wrapped with these beautiful quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, high-end finishes. The amount of natural light coming into this room is spectacular. Right here is your breakfast area, and you have this beautiful oak wide plank flooring that really complements the home. And over here you have this beautiful living room. And again, natural light is crazy in this home. You have these beautiful skylights right above you. And over here to the right, you have the first bedroom, which actually has a full bath, and every bedroom in this house has a full bath. So walking into the backyard, you have this beautiful deck over here, and you get this private view. And this home's actually on half an acre of land with no HOA and no restrictive covenants. So walking down to the basement, you have a huge storage closet. This is the main activity room. You have a wet bar here to my right, 2-car garage over here, and right over there is a 1-bedroom with a full bath connected to it. So you walk upstairs into this vaulted loft. You have 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths, but the most impressive part is this owner's suite. So walking into the owner's suite, you have the vaulted ceilings as well, lots of natural light, huge walk-in closet, and over here is the owner's bathroom. So just so you know how enormous this shower is, this is the tub that I'm sitting in inside the shower. You also have this beautiful skylight right above me. I mean, guys, I think I'm about to take a bath. There you go, guys. That is 3409 Marietta Court here in Raleigh. If you guys are looking for more information on this home, click the link below. And huge shout out to Hugh Grice for letting me film it.